What's up, fellow Y2Kers? Welcome to today's channel. If you're new, my name is Blake, and we're all about the flyest cars from the 90s and 2000s. Today's episode, we're taking the S600, my old faithful daily driver, over to check out a drift car about 20 minutes away from me. I've been looking for a drift car online for a while. This one's local, which is great. A little more than I want to spend, actually a lot more than I want to spend, but it's been completely done specifically for drifting. And it's got a really awesome setup. So, I don't want to ruin the surprise. We're going to go check it out right now. You guys reading this? 104 degrees. It is so hot. Out of gas. Alright guys, I'm here at the shop surrounded by drift missiles and all kinds of cool stuff. This is Joey. He's trying to make me spend a lot of money right now. I don't even want to say how much, but it's a lot. But I'm going to flip this thing around and show you guys what I'm looking at. Here we go.
She's a little dirty, don't judge her right now.
Yeah,
just a little dirty.
No judgment. And he promises to refresh every body panel if I purchase it.
We'll do a full refresh and paint it whatever color you want.
Oh, he would paint it? Ooh.
But I think you should stick with the San Marino blue.
I do like this. See, he sells BMWs and I have one, so he's working me pretty good on the... Is this a ZCP? Is it ZCP only color? Or is it just...
M3CS.
Yeah, M3CS. Club Sport.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the new.
Brand new color. Like, you have no idea.
I saw that at the dealership. It was pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. And the leases, they're doing like some crazy lease on them right now.
Come see me.
So, alright. Walk me through the car. I'm gonna go ahead and tell everybody it is an LS1. All aluminum block. I'm gonna tell them that
get that over with.
Yeah. Before anyone asks, it's not a rotary, but it's reliable and it does not break. Okay?
Yes.
So, Joey, tell me if I were to buy this car, what I would get. Okay.
Yeah, so it's a 1993 Mazda RX-7.
Okay.
It's got about 60,000 miles on the chassis. Fully restored top to bottom. I mean, the car's been gone through everywhere.
Right.
Like you said,
looks great.
LS1, so we'll start there. It's a 5.7 aluminum block, stock bottom end, flat top pistons, raised compression, built heads, cam. You know, so reliable. Car made 440, 442 at the wheels.
Okay.
Which is plenty of power, especially for Blake.
Yeah, my first drift car, making 440. Perfect.
But perfect amount of power.
And he's promised me I'll keep up with cars making 600 or 700 if I'm a great driver.
It's not hard with this car. You know, we've done it multiple times. But yeah, so LS1 swap, T56.
All the goodies.
All the goodies.
All the cooling goodies.
Oh yeah, Sandberg radiator swap kit, Ensign swap kit, full tube front, clearly. We just finished it up.
Yep, so if I hit anything, I just cut out what I broke and then...
Yeah, we got a spare tube front for you, so you take this off, put it back on, and be good to go to the track, or weld on the piece that you break, so that's the easy part.
Yep. And then body-wise, you said it's all Origin...
Yeah, so it's a full Origin kit, Origin stylish kit, should I say, body kit. Yep. And then Origin over fenders, 50 mil rears, 25 mil fronts.
And you got insane control arms, I'll show everyone, that make for mad, like almost 180 degree steering rack.
I'll just turn the wheel real quick.
Yeah. Electric power steering, so we can just yank it right now.
That's the best thing about this car.
Yeah. It literally could drive sideways if the back wheels would go the same direction. Yeah. Yeah. Mad angle on that.
So plenty angle, Wisefab front angle kit.
It can come out of any angle drift possible.
Let's just say you can parallel park anywhere.
Yeah.
That's the only reason for these kind of kits, is parallel parking.
Yeah, for sure. That's the
best about it.
Any grandma can parallel park FD now.
Yeah.
And then wheels, you got a bunch of sets of those. You said these are, what are these?
These are Cosmos.
Yeah.
You'll get some extra wheels.
You got a bunch of those.
For them, yeah.
And then you showed me the AccuSump.
Yeah, so AccuSump in the back.
Yeah.
We kind of do that as preventative. You know, in case you pop an oil cooler on the track or pop a line or something along those lines. You know,
for people who don't know what an AccuSump is on my channel, it basically feeds oil into the engine if it has starvation on one side or the other. So no matter what you're doing, you have oil, which is important. Yeah. It's very important to have oil.
It's very important, especially on the track. When you're wide open at 6,500, 7 grand on the RPMs and they're just killing it, you definitely need that security.
So and it's also got, as you can see, it has electric power steering. So you don't have binding. That's for the binding, right?
Yeah, so I've had a lot of experience with LS's and he's actually doing electric power steering too.
Look at, this guy's working right now. Look at this.
But I convinced a lot of people to go that way, especially LS's. When you're wide open, it's spinning the pump fast. When you let off the throttles, it slows the pump down, gives you bind, kind of a weird steering feel. But we fixed that with the electric pump, so that's kind of sorted.
And it makes it easy to push it around the shop, which is great.
Another thing as well, it's got I'd have to look the brand up again. It's got an in-tank surge tank. Previous owner did that. I have absolutely no idea how he got it in there.
So we can't see it, but it's in there somewhere.
It's a Bosch 44 pump and then an intake surge tank, so shouldn't have any issues with fuel starvation.
Fuel starvation. But it did run out of gas right when we pulled up.
we did run out of gas.
Yeah, only on our way back. Throttle though. It was hanging in there.
Only on our way back.
And then you said, I can get this open.
FD problems.
Knocking points off for that. I'm just kidding. It's got
FD owner would tell you. I've already done the metal handles. These things break. Actually, I think I have the plastic somewhere, which you'll get also. Yeah, here it is. So this is one of the old plastic ones that they break here.
This is what happens when you buy an all original car. You get broken door handles.
1990 Mazda parts.
So you're bringing a trailer car and you got nothing on this, okay?
So.
And then on the inside, you showed me the cage, which is. It's like the max room possible that you can get out of the
top
cage.
Garage cage. Let me turn the wheel back. Top garage cage.
And you got the hull.
Yeah, it's a full FE spec cage, so you should be able to run any type of series or competition with it.
Not going to get kicked out.
No,
that's another guarantee. Not getting kicked out.
The car is all legal in all the events. Full Holley system, so it's got the Holley 7-inch display. You can customize any display. You can actually tune the car through that.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
Which is pretty sick. Like, we were playing with the rev limiters the other day, and just changed them from like 7 grand down to 3, like a hard cut, soft cut. Yeah. Whatever you want to do. So that's pretty cool.
And then you got the e-brake.
Yeah, nameless hydro down to I think it's 850 fab rear caliper setup.
There's the Tremec, guys. It says Tremec. You got the Dope Bride seats, Y2K approved, right there. Are these Kevlars or just standard? Yeah. Kevlars are like double the price?
Something like that. They just look pretty, they're a little nicer, I guess. But.
I mean, you got to show off a little bit. You got to glitter.
Am I not doing that enough right now? Like,
you got a tube frame painted in glitter and green wheels and gold stickers.
Well, I've got some 3-piece wheels you'll get with it too.
Yeah.
So.
Well, I think everyone's tired of watching us talk, so let's go beat the crap out of this thing. He's promised me we're gonna do it. So, all right, guys, I'll see you in the car, and I think you're gonna like it. All right, see you now.
I love this.
Oh my god.
It's nice because it actually drives like a street car.
Right.
Other than like the welded disc, but. It's still relatively comfortable and it's not super loud either.
Grandma loves it.
The RX-7 like purists that show up and like, oh, rotary. Oh wait, never mind.
Alright guys, what'd you think about the RX-7? You gotta tell me the truth. Comment down below and let me know what you thought, if I should buy it or not. I can't even talk today. I had so much fun drifting, I think my brain is like scrambled 4 different ways right now. But if you think I should buy it, let me know, because you guys are gonna be the ones watching the channel and seeing me drift the car. So that's important for you guys to like it just as much as me. And if you like what you saw today on the channel, give us a big thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, turn on the notification bell down below, and we look forward to seeing you guys next video. Take care.